State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Ms. Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ms. Golden, did you leave us the other day?
Can you hear me?
Did you leave us the other day, or did we finish our business?
No, I didn't have my paperwork from the church about my community service, but he said he talked.
Say that again.
He said he talked to Miss Green now, and he sent her the paperwork.
All right. Not, I thought you left kind of early. Oh, you said you were coming back and you never came back or something. I don't know what that was.
No, you told me to come back either Thursday or Friday when I talked to my pastor.
All right. Can we get Miss Green and see if they get some information about Golden?
Okay.
All right. Let's move on. Let's go and get going. Mr. Gazdecki, if you want to speak with the city attorney now, what we can do is we can get him arranged and talk to the city attorney ahead of the next court date if you want to do that.
Yeah, let's do that, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Williams Law, let me know when you're ready.
Ready, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Latif Obeyed, case number B50195923. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Mark Gazdecki, P46289 on behalf of the defendant, Luft Obeyed.
Mr. Obey, good morning to you. He was here, or he's not now. Go ahead, Counselor. I'll waive his presence. He was
Thank
here, let him in twice, and maybe he's having some issues.
We waive reading of the charge, plead not guilty, Your Honor.
We're under not guilty on his behalf. Pre-trial date of October the 20th at 8:30.
Over the 20th at 8.
Yes.
You want me to contact Ms. Green?
Yes.
What's her first?
That's Ivy. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gazdecki, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Here he is now. Mr. Obey. All right, well, let Mr. Obey know that you give him the information. He's not unmuting himself. We're gonna move on.
Hello.
To the next.
Yeah, I'm here. Hello.
Yeah, state your name for the record, sir.
Okay, do you? Okay.
Lot for Obeyed.
All right. We'll give you a next action date of October the 20th, 2023 at 8:30. Your lawyer is here present on Zoom as well, so get the information, anything you need to know from him, all right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Have a very good day.
Weekend.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Roger Lewis.
Yes,
Case
sir.
number.
Okay, so.
Hello.
Hold on one second. Why don't I see Roger Lewis on the docket? Oh, you're not supposed to be here until next month, 9/18. Nine 2023, sir.
9/18,
It's 9/18,
okay,
2023 at 8:30.
8:30 in the morning.
The same time. You got here first today, so to zoom in at the same time, you'll,
Yes, sir.
okay, have a great day, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have a question?
Yes, sir.
What's your question?
What I would like to know is, okay, to be truthfully honest,
I don't need you to be truthfully honest.
I had explained to them then that night, okay, that I didn't have anything.
Listen, wait a minute, wait. We're not in the stage now of discussing anything about the facts of the case.
Yes, sir.
I don't need to know truthfully honest and stuff like that. That might not be in your best interest to be
Yes, sir.
truthfully honest. It may be in your best interest just to remain silent. You'll have an attorney here on that day. You can be truthfully honest with the attorney, and the attorney can tell you how to proceed after that. If you choose
Yes,
to be represented by a lawyer, right?
Okay.
So, you'll have your time to speak. I would want your conversations about the facts of the matter, the facts and circumstances of your version of the facts and circumstances to go through an attorney before you speak to me about it, right?
Yes, sir.
9/18, you'll get a chance to do that.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too. Bye-bye.
TASIA. It's on the screen right here.
Okay.
Gold.
Oh, okay.
TASIA. All right, City of Detroit versus Whitney Angelica Owens. Case numbers SP 1453420, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 6910591. 19484812, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Owens.
Whitney Angelica Owens.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You indicated off the record that you had some more work to do to get these documentations, correct?
Yes, sir. I'm just waiting on my social security card to come, and I'll go ahead and make my Secretary of State appointment, and then I'll secure my insurance. I secured my driver's license, and I paid the ticket fees off of the court that you asked me to, the 288, and then the 260. I cleared those as well.
All right, we're gonna, you see what a job does that's hanging in the balance? That gets stuff done real quick. People find money that they never, they always don't say, I can't, it's hard on me. But as soon as you get that job, especially a good job like that, you get things done.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Come back on September 8th with this documentation, pre-trial, September 8th, 2023. Okay?
Yes, sir. At what time?
At 8:30, you know the time.
8:30? Okay, yes, I'll be there.
Same time, same place.
I'll have everything.
Very well, ma'am. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. You as well. Bye-bye.
Shannon Alexander.
Yes.
All right,
Hi.
you got all your license and all that stuff in order.
Yes.
What are you here for, ma'am?
It was for I had to come to court because my dog had got loose. So they had sent me to come. They had sent me something in the mail to come to court, to show up in court.
I think you may be in the wrong courtroom. Let me see. She needs to speak to her lawyer too. What's your middle name?
Lanay. Lanay.
I don't see anything here for you.
Today was the day I supposed to return.
Do you have a case number?
I do not.
SHANNON, right?
Yes.
ALEXANDER.
My name is hyphenated. It's Gillespie Alexander.
That would help. City of Detroit versus Shannon Gillespie Alexander, case number B12342-522, B12442-622, B12442-722, B12442-822, B12442-922, B12443-022. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Ms. Alexander. Is she on today's docket, Your Honor?
Yes, Gillespie Alexander.
Gillespie.
845 near the top.
Only
one case showing though.
Oh, okay. Show cause for a nuisance according to the docket. And
Yes, and it's dog at large. It's all dog at large and nuisance for all. It's scheduled for trial on 7/7/2023. Apparently, Miss Gillespie didn't show.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
7/7. I was told it was today.
Now it's all warrants out for your arrest, you and your dog.
What I was told when I left court last time was this day, because I put it in my phone exactly when I was told to come in on this day.
All right, we're not gonna argue with that.
Walk and run. Move to set aside all the warrants, Judge.
I am not guilty of any clients we have. We'll give your client a $0 bond. You would set a new trial date.
I would assume.
All right, we'll get it right this time. All right, Ms. Gillespie.
Okay.
Can I ask a question? Is it more than one Officer Chandler?
Well, it sounds like it's more than one dog.
Well, I mean,
it's just one dog.
Is it more than one complainant?
I don't know that.
Okay.
Let's see. Maybe we can look at the ROA and see the one that's set today, Chandler. And
right.
Let's see. Chandler. Chandler. That looks like the one. Yes. November the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m.
November 3rd, 2023.
Yeah, you too, ma'am. Before you go make statements, why don't you speak to the attorney before you make a statement?
Okay.
He was just repeating the date, Judge. No,
That what I heard? Okay.
And that is for all these matters. Is that correct, Your Honor?
It will be for all the matters.
And since it was a trial date that we missed, is that going to be scheduled for a trial or some sort of pre-trial?
Trial.
Okay, very
We'll
good.
try it again. What I do see, Miss Gillespie Alexander, do you mind me just calling you Alexander?
That's fine.
So what I do see is that you did miss a court date. You missed, I see why you got the notice for today, put it that way. It's, we're just gonna schedule this for the 11th of, November the 3rd, 2023. Just come back at 9 a.m. on that day, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Okay. Counselor Ahmed.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Who's your client?
My client is Mr. Michael Lopez.
Is Michael Lopez here?
He's in my office here, Your Honor.
Does Michael Lopez need an interpreter?
No, he does not, Your Honor.
Very well.
We'd like to talk to the prosecutor, see if we can resolve this matter today, Your Honor.
Today?
Yes.
All right, well, let's wait until the city attorney comes in and I'll get you in a breakout room with her.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Very well. What about,
It's great information, so I can't get any information from her until 8:21.
Ms. Golden. Does anybody have any notes? Golden. Can Ms. Golden
I'm
hear me?
matter of fact, here's some, Judge.
You got
Yes.
some? All right, wait, all right.
These extension, yes.
When is this?
She sent this. She sent this Tuesday.
Tuesday, that's when she was here.
She said.
I still don't have it.
She said, I really tried to work with this thing that I assigned her to.
I still don't have compliance. This is as of 8:15, Ms. Green, a couple days ago. So what? She's not on the docket. We'll make sure she's on the docket the next time. I'll give you until November, September the 5th at 8:25 to work this out. All right.
I can't get my paperwork and just bring it up there.
Well, you have to, it has to be approved by Miss Green, right? And Miss Green, first of all, is not gonna be back until Monday. So that's not a big deal. You can bring it up here Monday and you can do that Monday for sure. you can bring it here, but I won't be here back until the 5th. Unless you want me to come in off my vacation, especially for you. You want me to do that, Ms. Gold?
No.
So it'll give you time to make sure that everything is confirmed, all right?
Okay.
This is the 5th, come back in here first thing in the morning, we'll get you right out, all right?
September or November?
September.
Okay.
September. So that's a couple of, well, it's a couple of weeks, but it's right around the corner.
Okay.
All right. All right,
Thank
let's
you.
go. Have a very good day, man. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Have a wonderful vacation, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. All right. City of Detroit versus Michael Lyman. Case numbers SP 1421958, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1423072, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lyman.
Michael Lyman.
All right, today is the day and time. Good morning to you. Today is the
Good
day and
morning.
time for a pre-trial. What are we doing?
Hey, Judge, all I need to do is get my tabs. I was gonna ask, can I get it next week? I got my insurance already, but the insurance put me out. It basically made me broke. It's $500 just for the down payment. But I got everything. Like when you told me to go check and call them and check my policy and stuff, everything is good to go. All I gotta do is just take it in there and pay for the tabs and the registration and stuff. I get paid every week, so that's why I was asking if I get it done next week. We get paid every week on Wednesday night, so I'll be able to get it done Thursday morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Who is Nikari H?
Nikira Henderson.
All right, hold on. All right, very well. Well, basically, I'm not going to see anything until 2 weeks from now. We got a lot of stuff I'm putting on the 5th.
Well, let's see if we can.
3 weeks from now. I'm gonna put it on 9/8/2023, 8:30. Last time, Mr. Lyman. All right,
Yes, sir.
September the 8th, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Yes, sir.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir. You too. God bless you, guys.
You as well. Mary Garcia.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Reviews, 61 hearings, 76 pre-trial. That's like.
Ms. Garcia, how are you doing today?
Under the weather, but I'm here. Thank God.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry to hear that. Are you Mary Hope Garcia?
Yes, sir, I am.
City of Detroit versus Mary Hope Garcia, case number SB 146-83701. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mary Garcia.
Ms. Garcia, state your name for the record.
Mary Hope Garcia.
All right, you have your significant other or your husband, or who's that behind?
Yes. My husband, Antonio Guadarrama Garcia.
All right, Mr. Garcia, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, that's nice. You're under the weather, but you got backup there. That's a beautiful thing, right?
Yes.
All right.
Your Honor, might I consider at this point, just for this hearing, to consolidate?
I only have one issue for Ms. Garcia, which is an allowing.
Right.
Today is the date and time set for a free trial.
Right.
I don't have any remarks on here. I always say, this allowing, it's very fact specific, I would say. Ms. Garcia, you're innocent until proven guilty. You have a right to remain silent. It's the people's burden to prove all the facts of their case. You don't have to say anything. And these allowings, I mean, unless, I don't have any notes down here, but unless maybe the officer comes in and says, Mary Garcia told on herself, she knew that she let that person drive the car. And she knew when she let that person drive the car that the car did not have, that person did not have a valid license. Those are the ways that she would have to find it. Let me let you speak to Mr. Walling in the breakout room. The offer is pleading to the allowing and dismiss upon payment.
Yes.
Or we can set the matter for a trial date and see if the people can prove their case. What I always say about this case is it can't get any worse. It can only get better or stay the same. All right. Join the breakout. She's in the room, Mr. Walling. All right. Guyton.
Good morning.
Very well. Good morning to you, ma'am. Is that Jolena Guyton?
Yes.
I got the pronunciation correct?
For a second.
Yeah.
All right. One. Okay. City of Detroit versus Jolena Guyton, case number 237-423-841. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Guyton.
Jolena Chicola Guyton.
Okay, Ms. Guyton, today is the date and time set for a free trial. Your case is going to need to be set for a trial because the city attorney wants to speak to the officer and get that person's version of the event before they hand an offer out. All right? Good morning.
Okay.
So we're going to give you a trial date on November the 3rd, 2023 at 9 a.m. Do you have any questions?
Okay. No, sir.
All right, just come back on November the 3rd. We'll get some resolution on that day, all right?
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
Great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Now, Kari, H.
Hi, good morning. It's Nakaira.
Kyra,
Yes.
and what is your last name, ma'am?
Henderson.
Henderson?
Yes.
You have a hyphenated last name?
Yes, Gaskins Henderson, sorry.
What's it? What is it?
Gaskins, Gaskins hyphen Henderson.
That help. Even though I'm still not finding it, but. G
845
845.
at the bottom of page 2.
Gaskin.
Yeah.
All right. And that's Nakaira, right?
Correct.
All right. Thing is so sensitive. If you miss one letter, it's not going to pull up. City of Detroit versus Nakaira Gaston Henderson, case number SP 1450818, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaskins Henderson.
Nakaira Gaskins Henderson.
Well, we have to see you, ma'am.
No. Here I am.
All right, there you are. Can't really see you, but.
Okay.
All right. I can see a little bit. All right. Today is the date and time set for show cause, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. My client stands muted.
In or not guilty plea on our behalf, give her a $0 bond. Ms. Gaskin Henderson, you paid us $78 for the seatbelt ticket, and we'll dismiss the other matter. Okay?
Okay.
You want to take that deal
Yes.
now?
Would I have to pay it today?
Well, I would like for you to pay it today. Why can't you pay it today?
I'm currently not working right now, so I would just need at least a week or two.
I'll give you 2 weeks.
Okay. Thank you.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible as charged to the seatbelt ticket, and I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor. I'll give you until it's going to be $78. 9/15, September 15th. Pay the extra is paid by then. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone as well. You can pay it that way. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it now. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, and have a very good day, all right?
You as well. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Is Everett Is LaShonda here? She left? Is,
Sorry, Judge. I accidentally logged in on her. It's supposed to be James Gordon Smith.
right. Very well. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
City of Detroit versus James Gordon Smith, case number SP 1236034, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1240761. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gordon Smith. State your full name, sir.
James Gordon Smith.
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gibbs, isn't it? I got your email. Mr. Gordon Smith, you have a valid license?
Yes, sir. I can show you right now.
No, I don't need you to show me. I'm gonna find out from the source. You have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, but I actually doesn't have that van anymore. That was my grandfather's van, and I was driving it in the mix of taking care of him. And when he passed away, I gave it back to my aunties and them.
I'm sorry to hear about your grandfather passing, sir. Do you have a vehicle of your own? Run his license, please.
No, not right now.
So you don't have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I do. I have I just put a car in my name. I'm in the mix of getting insurance, so I don't drive it right now.
That's what they all say, Mr. Gordon Smith.
No, I definitely understand.
The car works, doesn't it?
No, I got to get a new battery. But outside of that, yes, it does work.
I shouldn't have asked him that way. I should have asked him a different way. I would have.
No, I'm just being honest with you. It's just
right.
like two or three things I need to get fixed on it, then it'll be drivable.
When are you gonna bring some valid registration and insurance to the court?
As soon as I get insurance, I got my registration. I just ain't been
I
trying
know
to get insurance.
when. I need to know when. How soon is
Within the next month and a half. And then I'll be able to bring it down there.
You want to come back on the 8th of September?
Yes, that'll be fine.
That's not a month and a half, though, is it?
No, it's not. But I do the best that I can.
Well, I don't want you to keep coming back. I want you to come back on the 22nd of September. Bring me.
Okay.
You got a valid license, so bring me valid registration and insurance. I'll dismiss the cases, all right?
Yes, sir.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Miss Love.
Yes, I'm here.
Where are you? Oh, okay, there you are. City of Detroit versus Chelsea Nicole Love, case number SP 1466544, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1466821. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Love. State your full name, Ms. Love.
Chelsea Nicole Love.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter You have valid license and insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I have both valid license and insurance. The car isn't in my name, but there is valid insurance on it now.
Let's see the insurance and runner license, please.
I just have they sent the person who owns the vehicle sent me a screenshot of the insurance. How do I show that to you guys? Like with the policy and everything?
I'm gonna put this on my email address in the chat, or you can put it in the chat.
Okay. Okay.
If the license is valid and the insurance is good, I'll give you a blocking traffic, $175 and dismiss the other matters, all right?
Okay.
Zero offense, doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State.
I'm sorry, what was stated about the Secretary of State?
It's a 0-point offense that doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, 175.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor. And I am, I just saved the screenshot and I'm getting ready to post it into the chat right now. I think that would be quicker than emailing. Okay, I just uploaded it.
This license is valid, but it's some pages long.
Well, I literally went, I'm sorry.
Miss Love,
I apologize.
you don't have to explain yourself. I don't know if it's much of an explanation for this, right?
My driving record, yes, it's horrible.
It's horrible.
But I've come a long way, Your Honor.
Well, we'll see about that. All right, the license is valid. Insurance, I'm accepting that as a valid. Offers offer is blocking traffic. I don't know how, you know something, I don't know if you are coming a long way. I think before I offer you that, I think you need to take a driving course. Because the allegations on this ticket are you failed to stop at a stop sign and you ran into somebody.
No, I did not run into anybody.
Wait. I'm not asking for your comment. And I didn't say that you were responsible. I said that's what the allegations say. So
I didn't hit anybody though. I didn't get into an accident. So I don't know why they're alleging that I hit anyone. I just ran the stop sign and I pulled over for the officer to pull me over because I noticed that I ran the stop sign.
Okay, so first, so that's your version of it, right?
Yes, we can call the officer and it was a lady officer.
Right.
I was going past the stop sign.
It's not gonna be an offer. We'll set a trial date.
That's fine.
Formal hearing. And we'll get the officer's version of.
So they're saying there's an accident report or something?
I told you didn't have to comment, ma'am.
No, I'm fine. I'm just not aware of there being an accident because I didn't get into one. So I'm not aware of that. The 3 tickets that I have was the failure to stop, the no insurance, the no valid license, and it was like failure to drive safely or something like that. But I never had
failure to use due care and caution.
Yes, those are the only three. I never knew anything. I didn't get into an accident. I had my kids in the car. I didn't hit anyone.
Who's on this case?
I am, Your Honor.
Is failure to use due care and caution suggestive of an accident? Did you know?
It does not, Your Honor.
It doesn't?
Well, if I may, Judge, suggestive was the word you were using. It may or may not. Sorry, Woody.
It may or may not. And that's what I was really getting at with Miss Love. Now, I didn't say that you just admitted to running the stop sign. Now, first of all,
I'm 100% guilty of it.
See, she talks too much. Come back on November the 3rd. I'm not going to keep going. I'm not going to keep going back and forth with you. All right.
All right.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
I'm sorry, Woody. I apologize for that.
No worries. No problem.
All right. Good morning to everyone. Gibbs, yes. I have your information. What's going to go on with Miss Garcia? She's a little under the weather. Let's hurry up and get her on her way. Let's go back on the record with Miss Mary Garcia.
I need to talk to Schneider on that one, Your Honor.
Very good. All right. We'll give you an hour. Here's Miss Snyder here.
Excellent.
Give you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Snyder. And good morning, Ms. Snyder.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let me put you in a breakout room. I have counsel here. Hamed wants to speak with you about his client, and Mr. Philip X. Walling wants to speak with you about his client, and I have a number of officers that are here that I'm going to assign to the breakout room and allow you to speak with them as well, all right?
Okay.
Bill, are you going to represent Mr. Garcia also?
Does Mr. Garcia have a case as well?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Oh. Maybe, and Mr. Antonio Garcia. Oh, that's what it is. All right. I see why he's so closely behind you. Not to suggest that he doesn't have your back, man, but he's got a case too, huh? All right.
Yes.
What's your name, sir?
Antonio.
Green? And your name, ma'am?
Antonio Guadarrama Garcia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Necesito interpreter?
No.
No.
All right. And then the officers, good morning, officers.
Good morning, sir.
Are we here for a formal hearing? Or
For Eric Green.
for Eric Green? Okay, very well. Where's the lawyer? Who's that?
Right.
Who?
Right.
Hold on, let's wait. Brandon McNeil.
Okay. This goes back a long way.
Sir. 2 years ago.
All right. I see. Let's move on now. Mr. Livingston, Michael Livingston. Where's Mr. Livingston? Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus Michael Livingston, case number SB 1429154, counts 1, 2, and 3. 20413750, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Livingston.
Michael Livingston.
Your Honor,
Time set for a show cause,
my client would stand mute, Your Honor.
and I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. You have valid license, registration, and insurance, Mr. Livingston?
No, sir.
Say the offer is gonna be, one count of failure to display, one count of, improper plate, $240 each count. The failure to display is a misdemeanor that will abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points. The improper plate is a misdemeanor that will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points either. And I'll dismiss that improper plate upon payment of $240. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry, in order to have a discussion about the matter, all right?
Yes, sir.
I will allow Mr. Livingston to pay this reinstatement fee of $45 up front, Mr. Berry, and then so he can get a driver's license during the pendency of this if he doesn't want to take the deal today, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Your Honor?
Yes.
I believe, I know you didn't ask me, but I couldn't resist. I believe we have a resolution on both Garcias, if I can have a moment to explaining it to him. For purposes of the record, we're going to need a Spanish interpreter for Antonio.
He indicated that he didn't need one.
No, she doesn't need one. He's not so good.
Let's get a Spanish interpreter here for Antonio Garcia, please.
Thank you. And it's for purposes of putting on a plea, so it shouldn't take anything at all.
Very well. Morning, Trooper Hardaway.
Your Honor, good morning.
Put you in a breakout room. You have to contact Miss APA Cole's information.
I do. However, I think it's a resolution, if I might, a dismissal, if I might.
All right, then if you do that, then if Mr. or Miss Goodman shows, then I'll let her know. I'll mark your file as I'll mark the file as you appeared. If you want to leave, you're free to leave. If you want to stay, you're free to stay.
Okay, I can hang around. It's just a suggested motion, so I can hang around if you'd like.
Very well. Mr. Officer Patron.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Officer Sanchez, put you in a breakout room. Good morning. Officer Bessel, put you in a breakout room. And Corporal Collins, put you in a breakout room. Let's pass the matter on Livingston. On The iPhone, gentleman on the iPhone. Oh, Gibbs. Is it Gregory Gibbs? George Gibbs. Sorry. Yes. What's the middle name? Gordon. You've already discussed. All of them are dismissed. I don't see anything down here. But this map is must be checked. Junior? No junior, right?
No, they talking to me, young?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm not, I'm a senior, but I don't care to see on my license.
They're all dismissed. So. I just want to make sure they're all dismissed. Did you dismiss?
Let me look at what's the case number.
I don't know. Do you have a case number?
I do not.
Driver's license?
Not license.
Let me see a list on your driver's license. Let's see.
All right. There's a gentleman on the iPhone. What's your name, sir? Gentleman on the iPhone. Yes, you. All right. You got to turn your volume up or something. You're connected to audio. I need you to turn your volume up.
Lamont Gordon.
Gordon?
Yes.
Trial. Griffin. Officer Griffin here.
All your matters are closed with the court, sir. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Appreciate you coming down, Mr.
Thank you.
Lewis.
Go down.
I got that information. You didn't have to come down. You could have zoomed back in, but hope you have a very good day.
Appreciate it.
Up to you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks, sir. Thank you.
If we want to break Attorney Haddad out of the breakout room, Your Honor, his case will be a dismissal for no recollection.
City of Detroit versus Lamont Quincell Gordon, case number U55877120. Appearance for the record, please.
Bill Bowling, representing Mr. Gordon.
Question for you.
Mr. Gordon, can you state your, is this Griffin, Officer Griffin? Good morning to you. Mr. Gordon, can you state your name for the record, please?
Lamont Gordon. Lamont Quinzel Gordon.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. It's easy. Is there an Officer Griffin? Officer Griffin. There no response, Counsel. Good morning to you.
Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Gordon, Your Honor. Move to dismiss.
It's the case, no officer, I'll waive the warranty. You do owe the court $130, so for an old ticket. All right. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Talk to you.
30.
$130 for an old ticket.
What's the case number?
All right. you don't have anything further, sir, have a very good day.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Michael Lopez, case number U66211423. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Mosabi Hamid, P34663, appearing on behalf of Mr. Michael Lopez, who's in my office. Mr. Lopez, please tell the judge your name.
Michael Lopez.
All right, it appears, good morning to you both.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Officer Padron, can you put your appearance on the record or did she leave?
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I did release her, Your Honor, but I spoke to Officer Padron and she told me due to the age of the ticket, she does not have an independent recollection. So we're moving to dismiss.
We have no objection, Your Honor.
I'm sure you don't. All right, the case is dismissed, no recollection. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you both. All
Thank
right?
you, Your Honor, you and your staff and Ms. Snyder.
All right, thank you. I don't see that Lopez. Is he Michael Edward Lopez?
Yes, that was him.
Well, he's got more cases. Get that lawyer back in here, please. Well, let's see. The one that just left, hold on, let's see if there's no officer that showed at all. Hold on a second. Let's see what's going on. I don't know why this didn't. Okay, so we're going to dismiss all those cases. The Miss Snyder, the one case was it was all written by the same officer, but she wrote open alcohol, driver's license suspended, failure to turn curb. This coming that file. The other ticket was for an illegal business license ticket.
Were they on the same date, Your Honor?
Let's see that file, please.
Okay.
Michael, that's.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
All on the same day.
I have no objection, Your Honor.
Okay.
See, the poor lawyer didn't get to charge his client for that.
I'm sure he did. All right. All right, we're on Hoop now. Ready for we gotta wait for the interpreter, right, for Garcia.
Yes.
Officer Sumler, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Goodman Goodman has not showed. A lot of officers showed up for Goodman. All right. Livingston, what's gonna go on with Livingston?
Your Honor, Mr. Livingston seeks a trial on these matters and the appointment of counsel. Mr. Livingston does not wish to proceed in this matter via Zoom. He would.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Livingston. Mr. Livingston, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, you don't want a Zoom hearing, right? You want in person?
Yes, sir.
All right, and is this a case of I won't even ask the facts and circumstances of it. But do you want to pay this reinstatement fee up front so you can get a valid license?
Yes, sir, I can.
Or you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and do that, sir. Bring $45 and take this case number down. Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, very well. Mr. Livingston wants to opt to have an in-person trial on these matters. It's his right to do that, and I'm gonna afford him that. So we need to mark the file, so the officer needs to be in person as well.
I will prepare a subpoena, Your Honor.
Pardon me, I think that's the best way to proceed on those matters. So trial date, Mr. Livingston, is 11/6/2023 at 9 a.m. That's November the 6th, 2023 at 9 a.m. The case number is SP 14291543. I'm allowing you to pay the reinstatement fee on that case, $45 up front. You have to come down to the courthouse and pay that in person. You wait 48 to 72 hours. Once you pay that, for that abstraction to get to the Secretary of State. If you don't have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, you can potentially get a valid driver's license. All right?
Your Honor.
Yes.
He'll also seeks the appointment of counsel to represent him.
Very well. Thank you. Mr. Livingston, I need your phone number, please.
313-433-2331.
Okay. What I'm going to need you to do now is I'm going to need you to start to answer the calls that you may not recognize because hopefully one of those calls is that lawyer. And I'm going to have you a pre-trial date set for September the 8th, 2023 at 8:30, just to make sure that that lawyer has made contact with you, all right?
Yes, would that one be on Zoom?
That'll be on Zoom, yeah, that just to make sure that that attorney has made contact with you, and then we'll keep the same trial date on November 6th, okay?
Yes, sir.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Walter. Walter.
Walter Glover.
Walter Weber.
Glover, like Danny Glover.
All right, very well. City of Detroit, versus Walter Glover, case number SP 145-87641. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Glover.
Can you state your name, please, Mr. Glover, for the record?
Walter Glover.
I'm sorry, Judge, I do not see him on the docket.
8:35.
8:35. Okay, oh, there, got it. Thanks. Okay.
All right, today is a date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Glover, you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes.
Can you show the court that?
Where is that? How you flip this camera off?
You have to turn the background off, sir.
Oh, there we go. How do you? Can you see?
Not with the background on.
Oh, got you. How do you? Hold on 1 second. How do you? I don't know how to. How do you take the background off?
You have to go to your settings some kind of way.
May I ask my client a question?
Oh no, there we go.
Mr. Glover.
Yeah. Yes.
When did your insurance expire?
It never expired. When I got pulled over, I gave them.
Never mind, never mind. Never expired doesn't compute. All right, show it to the judge.
I'm trying to get to the date, but if you can see, is the zoom in focusing?
All right.
Can you see?
Why did? Well, it keeps going off.
I'm sorry.
All right.
5/26/24.
Yeah, I see. Dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, sir. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Could you briefly put me in room 2 with the Garcias?
All right. Mr. and Mrs. Garcia, can you join the breakout room, please?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, did you get my message, email regarding the Elvis Golston?
Yeah, I did. I don't remember Golston though.
I'm supposed to go to the breakout room, but I don't see it.
I think Ms. Schneider.
It's up there. You're gonna have to hit that more button or something down there. It's gonna stay there, Ms. Garcia. Say that again, Ms. Williams-Law.
I just remember, I'm not sure, the last hearing date maybe was a little over a week ago, and there was some information, some questionable something regarding Mr. Golston. Ms. Schneider was also in on the conversation. She may remember exactly what was questionable regarding Elvis Golston.
Ms. Snyder?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I was talking to the officer on our in-person trial on the phone.
Okay, they were speaking about Mr. Elvis Golston. I just don't remember him. Something about he wanted to back out of his plea or something.
No, he wanted to plead against Ms. Harris's advising. She wanted him to go to trial. He wasn't understanding. You had him going a few times with Ms. Harris to kind of explain. There was some discussion about discovery of video that he was not really able to view properly. And you ordered him to come in for the next hearing date so that if he was going to take the plea, you weren't going to do it unless he was in person. So you could make sure he understood everything Ms. Schneider said. If he does decide that he wants to go to trial, all bets were off on any offers. It was going to be as charged. I don't know what you were looking for from the 6:30 hearing, but I just gave you what I had.
Your Honor, Mr. Goldston appeared August 14th, Monday, August 14th, 8:35.
Elvis?
Elvis Goldston, yes. I have case numbers if anyone needs them.
And what did he want?
Oh,
Just the day you wasn't here, he said he was gonna come and show you his proof.
Goldston, Goldston is the guy that's riding the moped.
exactly.
Goldston's the guy that's riding the moped from Comerica Park.
Yes.
All right. So what's the issue?
You just needed to know what happened in that you gave me a hearing date of 6:30. Previous to 8:14, I can't remember, we were here like a week or so before that. And he was here, and on the record, I can't remember what the discrepancy was, but you guys wanted to hear what happened. You gave me a date of 6:30 to listen to what happened. So I don't know. Maybe it's not, I don't know.
Okay, yeah, I mean, he's got a revoked license. Man is on a moped.
And he was gonna plead to the revoked license and driving with no helmet. Ms. Harris urged him to go to trial, and he just didn't want to do it. He wanted to say, you know, I'm just gonna take the deal.
All right.
But he wasn't understanding, and he stated some incorrect. You said, I don't believe you understand, and Ms. Harris said, no, I think he understands, because he said something totally different in the breakout room. She wanted to be excused from the case, and you didn't let her do that. So I'm not sure what it was you were needing. I just wanted to make sure that it was sufficient, the information I gave you from the audio.
Okay, very well. Can you put that in Goldston's spot? Please. Ms. Snyder, while you're here, Mr. Walling presented me with an order for the Gilliard case. Is there something that, is there any discrepancy on that you need to speak about? What have you had a chance to review that?
Yes, Brother Counsel did bring it to me. We discussed it in person. I am fine with the findings and order, with the as to form. I would ask if we could have a little bit more time to discuss our conditional plea, maybe one more date, just to run from my supervisors, but.
I did not submit that to the court.
Then
So,
ignore me, please. I'm good with the order you have.
well, Your Honor, please sign the order. And we do have a trial date scheduled. What is it? 6th of October.
Yeah.
6th of October. So I'm sure we'll talk before then,
Right.
Ms. Steiner.
And we can just bring him in on a day you're in as house counsel too. I don't mind.
I will certainly try that to be efficient in the court. My contacting him has been spotty, but I
get it. And then, Your Honor, I know we haven't. Oh, sorry.
No, go ahead.
So we know we have an in-person trial set for today. My officers are all here. They told me they checked in. I'm going to come down to the courtroom and talk to Attorney McNeil in a moment.
Neil hasn't showed yet. I'm here, Your Honor. Oh, I didn't see. Very well. Go ahead. Good morning to you. Good morning.
Yep,
All right,
I'll come
let's
talk to you,
go
Brandon.
ahead. Let me ask you one more question, Ms. Snyder. On this Philip Greer, Attorney Murray, wanted destruction of biometric data and arrest record. I think he spoke, did he present this order to you?
I believe he did. I think I sent a copy to Madam Clerk that my supervisor signed. There's one with Shannon Walker's signature.
I don't have one with Shannon Walker's signature, but I'm gonna go ahead and sign this as well.
Hey, Alexa, will you sign the orders that are in the court's possession? You can keep yours for your records,
Yes.
okay? Cool.
Morning, sir.
Morning, Your Honor. How you feeling today?
On the Moto G, are you there? They're gone. I have the interpreter. It's Vivian.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am doing well, thank you.
All right, very well. Ms. Vivian, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
My first name is Antonia, Antonia. My last name is Vivian, Vivian. I am qualified Spanish English interpreter with the state of Michigan.
Okay, and can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God.
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling and his client, all right?
Okay, thank you. What is the room number, please?
Number two.
Two, okay.
Graham, good morning to you. There.
Hello?
Brown. Mr. Brown, what's your middle name, please?
Micah?
Anthony? Gonna have to fix your volume. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna dismiss your case, all right?
Okay.
All right, where are your brothers?
Say that one more time.
Where are your brothers?
Chavez had to pay at a later date, and I don't know about Rolando.
You didn't pay it for
No.
them? Huh?
No.
That's some awfully expensive, what was that? Vodka? Tito's, right? Tito's.
Yes.
That was awfully expensive Tito's. All right, we'll dismiss your case, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
Let me get that. That should be dismissed. Please.
Well, I can call her. Your Honor, I have a question for, yes, sir, Corporal Sumler. My defendant hasn't shown up.
Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and release you and Trooper Hardaway. It's
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
both for a failure to appear bench warrant out for her arrest.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, both of you be safe out there.
Right,
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Very good. Pardon me?
Joshua Graham, 825.
Yeah, mark his, business.
This is good.
So,
Okay, this is good.
trial.
Okay.
Yeah. Unless somebody else comes in.
Judge practice going on, Mr. Martin. You got a case number?
Your Honor, she will be ready very shortly. She's finishing up with the Garcias their rights.
What's the offer gonna be?
They're gonna dismiss against Mary. Antonio's gonna plead to driving while to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and the rest is gonna be dismissed. Just damn good lawyering, Judge.
It sounds like. It sounds like.
I asked her to sign that, make sure she signs those, so thanks.
I mean, Judge, did you do Joanna Guyton already? Joanna Guyton.
No, she never did show up.
Okay, was her attorney Upshaw, they just called and said he's on his way.
Well, those seem your attorney's still working on it, right?
Yeah, he just left back out to talk to Alexa.
Pardon me?
He just left back out to talk to Alexa.
We're gonna need the chair over there, move this stuff out of the way.
Okay, let me get that out of there. It's about two, we can bring it back here. This is for your last.
Upshaw's gonna Zoom. They don't have to worry. We got time. They have documentation. That would make.
Disregard the officer signal.
Disregard, I don't have that. This is the guidance, is it Brianna guidance?
This is Jolene.
Oh, I got the wrong guidance here. This is, this disregard officer signal, they gotta come in.
That's what. I already heard of Jolene.
I don't see the guy.
You see A35, you see Brianna guy.
Yeah.
And then right underneath it is Jolene guy. Upshot.
Oh, we set a trial date. She didn't say she had a role.
He must have been.
Yeah.
He's on the.
Call and tell him we set a trial date.
And then call him. His assistant.
Yeah, there's a trial date on there. 11/3/2023, 9 a.m. All right, are we ready to go?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Mary Hope Garcia. Miss Mary Hope Garcia, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. And my understanding is that this is going to be a dismissal of this case?
That is correct, Your Honor. After consultation with Ms. Snyder, she's recommending that this matter be dismissed.
All right, Ms. Garcia, I hope that makes you feel a little bit better. Case dismissed, all right?
Thank you so much.
All right.
Now, we also have Antonio Garcia there, Your Honor.
I'm ready to go. This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Guadarrama Garcia. Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Pretty good.
Yes. Yeah.
Case number SP 1468306 counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1468367 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad en contra Antonio Guadarrama García, SP 1468307 y SP 1468373.
Okay.
Introducciones, por favor.
Okay. My name is Philip X. Walling, representing Antonio Garcia.
Yo soy Philip X. Walling, representando Antonio García.
Okay. State your name, Mr. Garcia.
Señor García, diga su nombre.
Antonio Guadarrama García.
Antonio Guadarrama García.
Yes.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. My understanding is Mr. Walling worked out a very good deal for you. Is that correct, sir?
Hoy es la fecha y horario para un prejuicio y lo que yo entiendo es que el señor Walling hizo una buena oferta para usted, señor. ¿Es correcto eso?
Sí, sí.
Yes.
All right. You want to take the deal that's allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. It is a misdemeanor, but it doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State and therefore doesn't carry any points. And I will dismiss the case upon payment of $240.
Entonces, señor, ¿usted quiere disfrutar de la oferta de dar permiso a una persona para conducir sin licencia válida? Y eso es un delito menor, pero no se tiene puntos con la secretaria del Estado y sería una multa de $240. ¿Usted quiere aceptar eso?
Sí, sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
Levanta la mano derecha.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura y afirma de decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más de la verdad?
Sí.
Yes. Baja la mano.
Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la condena máxima para esta ofensa es 93 días en cárcel y o una multa de $500?
Sí.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial.
¿Usted entiende, señor, que tiene el derecho de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
El señor Berry, te explicó sus derechos en el cuarto privado.
I'm sure Mr. Berry would have with me, Your Honor.
Sorry,
Me
Mr.
parece
Wall.
que el señor Berry lo haría, pero era yo, su señoría. El señor Walling. ¿Él te explicó los derechos, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
And you understood those rights, sir?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos, señor?
Sí, sí, muy bien.
Yes, yes, very well.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene cualquier pregunta de esos derechos?
No, 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 muy bien.
No, no. It's all good.
You know you'll be giving up those rights once you take this deal?
¿Usted sabe que renuncia a todos esos derechos cuando acepta esta oferta?
Sí, sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguno te ofreció o prometió algo aparte de lo que está en esta acta?
No, no, no.
No. No, nothing.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 12th, 2023 at around 4:36 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Cadet. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yo quiero que usted se recuerde la fecha del 12 de junio 2023 a las 4:46 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, cerca de la zona de Livernois y Cadet. ¿Usted tuvo la oportunidad de tener contacto con un oficial de policía ese día?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
¿Usted estaba conduciendo un vehículo de motor, señor?
Sí.
Yes. Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y ese oficial de policía te preguntó de mostrar una licencia válida?
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y usted no pudo, ¿correcto, señor?
Yes, no, no pude.
Right, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Y
Your
por qué
Honor,
es eso?
if I may, he presented to the officer an international driver's license, which is best has limited value.
Su señoría, él mostró al oficial una licencia internacional que yo sé que aquí tiene poco valor.
Yes.
Yes, sí.
Okay, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
Entonces yo encuentro al acusado que es culpable, que dio permiso a una persona sin licencia de conducir, y con la causa probable después renunciamos todos los otros cargos. El señor Walling después dijo sí, estipulado.
Yes. Sí, sí.
Yes.
All right, 240, Mr. Garcia, when can you pay it?
$240, señor García. ¿Cuánto tiempo necesitas para pagarlo?
¿Quién quiere 2 months o 2 weeks? 2 months?
¿Dos semanas? ¿Usted quiere 2 semanas?
Sí, 2
I
semanas.
want 2 weeks.
Why don't we split the difference and give him a month, Your Honor?
¿Podemos separar la diferencia y darle un mes, su señoría?
I'll give him till my wife's birthday, 9/18/2023, 8:25. Come back. If that's paid, I'll dismiss the case, sir. If it's not paid, you have to tell the court why.
Señor, usted tiene hasta el cumpleaños de mi esposa para pagarlo. Es el 18 de septiembre 2023. Si usted no lo paga, tiene que regresar el 25 de septiembre y explicar por qué no lo pagaste. Cuando esto está pagado, este caso va a ser renunciado.
Sí, yo pago el dinero.
Yes, I will pay the money.
Pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir.
Usted puede pagar esta multa en los kioscos que hay por la ciudad que se llaman DivDat. También usted puede cargar la aplicación de DivDat en su teléfono y pagarlo en esa manera, o en persona adentro de la corte, en el tribunal, y esas son las mejores maneras de pagar esta multa. Okay?
Sí, yo pago en persona.
Yes, I will go pay it in person.
Very well. Have a very good day, sir. Take care of your wife. And,
Before we leave, Judge, I just want the record to reflect.
All right, let the record reflect. Go ahead, Mr. Walling.
Entonces,
yeah.
I'm sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
I'd like the record to reflect that I gave Mr. Garcia the website, DetroitMichigan.gov, Detroit ID that I got from Mr. Phillips to get a City of Detroit ID.
Okay, el juez dijo que sí, esto ya se concluyó, está acabado, todos nos podemos ir. Después el señor Walling dijo, quiero poner en la acta que le di al señor García el sitio de web para conseguir la identificación, que es el Michigan.gov Detroit ID. El sitio de web para una identificación que no fue dado del señor Phillips.
Sí, sí.
Okay.
Yes, I have it.
Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Garcia, have a very good day. Take care of your wife, Ms. Garcia. We're going to pray for your fast recovery, all right?
Cuídate bien, cuida a su señora, la señora García, y que tengan un buen día.
Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Thank you so much. Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Y'all have a great day.
Tengan un buen día. Okay.
Gracias.
Todo está acabado. Se puede ir. This
Okay.
is done. You can go. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Wallen.
Thank
Have
you,
a
Ms.
good day.
Vivian. Have a very good day.
Bye-bye.
Okay, where are we?
I spoke with the prosecutor judge. I don't believe we're gonna come to a resolution. I'll try to be as quick as possible.
I mean, take your time.
Case.
Hello, how are you? I got that. I'll sign that.
Okay.
Matter of fact, I'll get that today. If you can, you want it that big?
Oh, no, it was just a framework.
All right, I'm gonna put a heading up there.
Yeah, whatever. That was just a framework.
Because I won't be back in 2 weeks and then you'll have to submit that soon, right? All right, good luck to you.
I want to say thank you.
You're very much welcome.
All righty.
All
Have
right.
a good weekend.
You as well. Good luck to you.
Thank you. It's in as of last month.
They're very good.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the millionaire. All right, find out what he wants. This is kind of what's your I'm gonna
The
take
millionaire.
yeah, I'm gonna take a recess and you can just give me a call when they're ready to go.
All right, Judge.
All right. The millionaire is not living up to his namesake.
I'm here.
You see, I said you're not living up to your namesake, sir.
I know. I didn't forget. I didn't dang near forgot. Overslept.
Pardon me?
I said I done almost overslept. I've been up working.
No, it's not about oversleeping. It's about pain.
Oh, paying?
I would think you would have been up working 2 jobs. Do you have a job?
Yeah, I can come down. It's a traffic ticket. I can come down there and pay some money. I just was dealing with child support, and it was a serious matter that I needed to pay some money. I'm dealing with Oakland County, so that's probably the reason. I just had to pay serious child support, something for child support. But I can come down there today and put half on it. That case is almost over with. That's the only thing
that's in my way.
Huh?
How long are you gonna need to pay it off?
Yeah, I can pay it off, but I can drop some money. I can make payments, right?
Make a court date. Come down and make a payment plan with the court. That's
okay.
What
I can do that. Okay, I can do that today. I'll be getting dressed and come down there now. I just had been going through stuff for child support. I'm sorry.
And then go get you got those different names. It's all under different names, so you better let them know that.
Okay, and what you mean by different names?
You know, it's the millionaire, then Latham. It's got
that's my whole name. That's my whole
I
name.
understand that. I understand that, but it's entered into the system. They got your last name, I think, as Latham. Then they got your last name as the millionaire. So you make sure that you get the printout for all of those, because if you just say the millionaire as your last name, it's not gonna, all of it's not gonna come up.
Okay.
So you have to give them Latham and make sure they look it up all different kind of ways, so you'll know exactly what you have.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and, come back next month at, on the 18th.
Okay, I'm finna go down there now.
All right. But come back next month so we can follow up on this and see, what you've actually done.
Okay, I'll be there. I got you.
All right, have a good day, sir.
Next month, what date? 18th?
18th, September 18th.
Okay.
All right. All right, I'll be back.
Okay. this for the overtime. Thank you. That's Perkins, Southern, right, right. Miss Brewer, how you doing? Oh, the judge did a little recess, he be back. Why you be marching out for? You got them on all. Every time you always calling and saying something, you must like ours. Well, let Miss Thomas know we busy in here. We are. You know, he be back. He told me to call him when they're ready because we got an in-person trial. Oh, I'm so glad it's Friday. You looking forward to your check on the 25th? Next week, they gonna tax that little $500. They should have gave it to us in a gift card. Alrighty, I'm cold. I'm out here. I always wanted to do y'all job, like, cause y'all have a peaceful. Thanks. Oh yeah, that's right. You get complaints about the attorneys. Judge Perkins, Mrs. Jemima, are you scheduled for court this morning? Do you?
What's gonna go on?
Nobody has said anything. Just- 995. So scheduled for trial on October 19th. And you said it was one of the tickets you were supposed to be paying. You were supposed to be paying a $45 fee. It's the number, it's the insurance. Down there. Okay, all right, you're welcome. Yes. Yeah, ready? You said they're ready? Okay. All right, let me call the judge. Okay. Thank you.
October 31st.
Go. Yes, they're ready, Judge.
Yes, for the records. Yeah.
Oh, you can make a policy. Yeah, wait, thank you.
Madam Clerk,
Yes, Attorney Wally. Thank you.
I know you have paperwork that's the judge is in the process of signing. Can I pick that up on Tuesday?
You sure can.
Thank you. And then you could email that me at your earliest convenience.
Okay, Attorney Wilder.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Ms. Mathis, I heard you.
Okay, I was just making sure you were present, that's all.
Yes, thank you, I appreciate it.
Oh, no, you're welcome.
All right, everything's been resolved, right?
Kind of, Your Honor, review approach.
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We need to step out.
He has been doing this time. He also has a witness.
So, long story short.
Long story short, I need to call this, which is going to be a long meeting.
All right, so,
Do you want to introduce him?
all right, so what's the basis for not introducing?
The fact that it's 2-year-old is the kid had a discovery from a year ago for a discovery of that guy, and now 2 years later.
And why is the video?
It wasn't in our possession, actually. It wasn't recorded as a use or sensitive. It wasn't taken as part of the use report. We just found that this officer had recording of their cell phone. So it wasn't part of the official police file or anything. An actual.
Actual mistake. What was I thinking? One of the reasons.
All right, so it's been, like I said, 2 years. We've had this case for I don't know how long.
I would check these two. Discovery.
Say that again.
It was part of the discovery motion. I think it should be done in writing.
I mean, yeah, I mean, you can put it in writing, but you can have your
I
stuff.
just need to go down there.
That's fine. All right, and can we proceed without the meeting? That you could, I guess, would say that. All right, let's go. Got old Judge Baltimore's roles tapped. All right. City of Detroit versus Eric Dion Green, case number U60110821. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. For the record, I have the issuing officer present.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brandon McNeil, P number 81300, appearing on behalf of Mr. Eric Green, who's standing to my right. Mr. Green, state your name for the record.
Good morning, my name is Eric Green.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Green, Mr. McNeil, Schneider already, an officer.
Officer Moss is the issuing officer.
Officer Moss, good morning to you, Officer Moss. Appearance. Step up. Officer Moss, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Brittany Moss, badge 979.
In Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Detroit.
Very well. Any other officers want to put their appearance on the record?
If you'd like to run.
That would be fine.
Good morning, sir. Detective Johnny Fox, badge D2563.
Detroit Police?
Yes, sir. Yes, Officer Darius Shepherd, badge 2592, Detroit Police Department.
All right, very good. Good morning to both of you. Today is the time set for bench trial in the matter. I'll let the councils, we have a sidebar. And in the sidebar, there was an issue about discovery that was just presented to council today. I have made basically a preliminary ruling on it, off of the limited information that I heard. This case was, the allegation was made on June the 12th, 2021. I have an appearance was filed by Mr. McNeil on August the 5th, 2021. The arraignment was held on October the 28th, 2021, and a pretrial was scheduled for February 1st, 2022. It was scheduled for trial on March the 31st, 2022. At some point in there was a order of discovery that was presented to the court. I don't know if I have that in the file or not. It was initially set, I remember, for a bench trial. But throughout all of those hearings, we've I know that Mr. McNeil has been trying to seek discovery. I know that Ms. Schneider, from what I understand, turned over everything that you had at the time, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. And just to be clear for the record, I am at least the second, maybe the third prosecutor on this matter, so I'm not personally familiar with discovery orders.
Okay. Yes, you are, because I know this is probably Mr. Goss was probably the initial.
It was, Your Honor. Mr. Goss is the initial prosecutor sent me off to me. That would have, I received everything, I believe, on October 21st.
So what I will do is I will allow, I was requested by Madam Schneider that we allow the at least a written motion to be filed based on what my preliminary thing is. I will review that motion and I'll give more consideration if there's more information that's presented to me. But if it's as it was presented in the sidebar, then I will my ruling will stand. So when can we have those documents?
As it comes to dates, Your Honor, the officers will be unavailable. I don't know if we're talking trial, so they're unavailable at the end of October and the first 2 weeks of November.
Well, let's do the motion and get those in first. You see, my dates are, I'm not gonna be here on those dates that are circled and the ones that are in red. So we'll definitely schedule around the officer's schedule if necessary.
Understood.
I just want to make sure the attorneys are close to the mic, where I can hear them.
Yeah, I think they're, oh, good.
Yes, Your Honor. We just had a brief discussion. We think 2 weeks is sufficient. Well, if she can have 2 weeks, and then I really, if I could just have a week to respond after her 2 weeks.
Well, you can make a motion.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. 2 weeks, and then or whatever.
Well,
response time that.
why don't we say September 8th? Let's come back, and all of that stuff should be. I'll be back on the 5th, so if I can have it both responses and a motion and response by the 5th, and then September 8th, and all the parties can come back and we can put this on the record.
I think we have an in-person trial scheduled for the 8th.
Yeah, I think that we're not gonna be if it's like I say, I don't anticipate this. It's 2 lawyers, and I don't even think that Mr. I can even waive Mr. Green's presence.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Because we'll deal with that, and then we'll go from there.
I think you're going to reach a conclusion prior to.
Very well. All right. Mr. Green, you don't understand everything that's going on today. I'm sure you kind of got a good understanding. Yes. Your lawyer can update you on that. I appreciate you coming in, and I want to acknowledge your mom. Appreciate you coming in as well. All right. So if nothing further, you all have a very good day. Officers, I want to appreciate you coming in as well, and be safe out there. Have a very good day. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
How you doing, young?
How you doing?
You work for them?
Thank you.
I think they're both in face down. They'll get something there.
Okay, all right. How you doing? You all right?
Yeah, how about
What about
yourself?
you?
I'm good. She just had to go to lunch, so I just come in for her, so she had, yeah.
That's good y'all work together.
Yeah, I do whatever around here.
You work it out.
Yeah.
All right. That seems like that's gonna conclude everything in the morning.
Okay.
Mr. Walling said he has some documents you needed from the judge.
I already signed it.
Oh, you did? You gave it, they're right here.
They should be in that pile there.
Okay. What's the defendant's name, Mr. Wally?
Gilliard.
Gilgard, yes. True copy them and make them pretty for me.
All right.
Mr. Walling, Mr. Berry, Ms. Mathis. I want to call you Officer Carter, but you told me not.
No, I'm Franklin.
Franklin.
Yeah.
Yeah, Officer Franklin, Ms. Williams Law, Ms. Snyder left. So everybody have a very good day. I won't be back until the 5th, so I'll see you guys then.
Hold it down till you get back, Judge.
You're not here on the 24th, Judge?
No, I'm not.
Huh. I'm assigned to your courtroom.
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, I'll look.
Okay.
I will